Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are repotting our Phalaenopsis orchids as they are not looking their very best. They have been growing on the same medium for 3 years, so it is time to refresh the soil to promote healthy growth. First thing first, we are removing dead leaves and dead roots to promote or encourage the production of new ones. It is best to do this after the orchids have finished blooming. Next step is soaking the roots in hydrogen peroxide 3% solution. Our central air conditioning is on right now, so bear with me guys, I hope you can hear me. Hydrogen peroxide is a versatile tool in organic gardening, but it should always be used in proper dilution to avoid harming plants. To soak orchid roots, you can mix 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide with 1 gallon of water. This helps to oxygenate the roots and can assist in cleaning them from pest, mold, or fungal growth. After soaking about 5 to 10 minutes, be sure to rinse the roots with plain water before planting or repotting to remove any excess hydrogen peroxide. Alright folks, we have come up this far. If you are enjoying this video and you want to see more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate it. Okay, let's move along. So after you soak them 5 minutes to 10 minutes. You're going to rinse with tap water to remove any excess hydrogen peroxide. Now, Phalaenopsis orchids thrive in a loose, well-draining soil. So make sure that the medium you're using is specific for orchids. So I'm using this mix. We need to mimic the natural epiphytic environment that these orchids grow, like they grow on trees, attached to trees, instead rather than in soil. And I'm using charcoal. A small amount of charcoal keeps the medium freeze by absorbing impurities. So I'm using this pot for my orchid, and I like this pot because it has holes around it, so the root would not tangle around it, so there is enough air ventilation around the area, and also a lot of drainage hole that keeps the water from draining out without waterlogging. There is already charcoal in the mix, but what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add a small amount of charcoal to add to my mix. I'm going to apply mycoplast or mycorrhizae. Is a beneficial fungus that will help the roots of my orchids against pathogen, and also helps make this root stronger. So you can mix mycorrhizae 1 teaspoon in water and water your plants, but I prefer spreading onto root. So I'm pruning the roots as I can. I might have to repeat my mycorrhizae so I can fit this inside the pot. Okay. Alright, this is okay. So as you can see, the roots here, and I put all the roots down so they can regrow. And what I am going to do next, I'm going to wipe this with a acetic concentrate just to shine the leaves. Next step, I'm going to spray with Azotic Plus. This is a pre-treatment, especially the roots. I use the fish pond water and water my orchids. Now there is a secret on how to keep the orchids blooming, and I will show you after this. So I will keep that in this pot where the water is. So I'm going to leave it here for a few minutes until the roots can absorb water from the bottom. Now, one of the most exciting experiences in growing orchids is watching them bloom. And a lot of you guys, probably for those who are new to orchids, that once the orchids are finished blooming, you give to your friends or throw in the trash. But there is a secret for that on how to initiate flowering. And I use this, and this product works wonder. So what you have to do is spray the leaves, and I keep spraying this. As you can see, there's a new flower bud here, and this is going to produce bloom. So you just apply this product once every 2 weeks. So you also apply the roots. So if you keep doing this as your routine, like when you water your plants, you spray the roots and foliage, this is going to increase bloom production. Now, other method I use here to keep my orchids flowering and make that flower last longer, like this one here. So the best way to keep the flower from staying longer in the plant, what I did, I soaked the plant in water about 5 minutes. So that the flower can get good amount of water. So just place in a bowl and soak the pot, and that will, keep the flower last longer. Okay. All right, let's wrap this up. Thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, hit the like button, and always open your notification icon so you don't miss anything. If you need Azotic Plus, you can get it on eBay or cashewgreens.com. I put the link description below. Check it out. Again, thank you, Marcelina at cashewgreens.com. See you next time. Peace out.